Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust who can see and view your friends section on your Facebook profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your profile icon in the top right corner. This is account, just left click on that, and then select settings and privacy, and then select settings. Now on the left side, you want to go underneath audience and visibility. So underneath that section there, you want to look here where it says how people find and contact you. And then on the right side, it's going to say who can see your friend list. If you click inside this box here, you can click on that and you can adjust that to either being public. So if you want everyone to be able to see your friend list, or you can only have it set to friends, you can have it set to only you can see your friend list, or specific friends or specific people cannot, again, depending on your preference. Select done once you're done with that, and that's all you have to do if you have to make any changes there. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.